This presentation is about the implementation of electronic health record project. The idea behind implementing a health record project is to become a leader in providing quality of care to the patients. This will be accomplished by installing a new EHR system and by conducting the necessary training to our staff in order to be able to use it effectively. Quality of care will then be enhanced by reducing medical errors aided by the EHR system, and hence we can better our customer service. We will be providing you with the project details and the timeline of the project in the next slides. We had utilized MS Project as a tool in order to prepare a schedule for this implementation project. The MS Project had allowed us to establish the work breakdown structure of all the tasks by defining the relationships among the tasks and the subtasks. We could then have the schedule that is true and the one that reflects the timeline of the project. The project implementation. We assume that our project will commence on July 1st, 2009 and will be completed in 253 days later. This is assuming that we are working 5 days a week and 8 hours of operation in a given day. As we can see, the high-level tasks in this project are patient management information, clinical information system, laboratory, pharmacy, radiology, imaging, and nutrition and food service. The schedule shown here exhibits the days required to complete each task and the predecessors and the precedence relationships among the tasks, the starts and the finish dates of each task. As essential elements of having a good schedule, it is of essence to account for all the precedents among the tasks in order to avoid conflicts and attempt to complete 2 tasks simultaneously in order to save time if possible. Again, by defining the precedents correctly, we can help accomplish this schedule clearly and effectively. Patient information management task number 1. This task number 1 shows its detailed subtasks. When breaking down the task into subtasks, we should ask ourselves a very simple and logical question. Does, for example, subtask 1 has any relationship with any other task? Meaning, does subtask 1 have to be completed before we do subtask 2, for example? In our example here, we can see that training on the system cannot be completed unless we configure registration. Furthermore, relationships could also exist not only within each task but also between high-level tasks. For example, imaging could not be implemented unless the radiology system is configured. Figuring out these relationships would allow us to better utilize our time and better manage our resources. For example, radiology and nutrition and food service could be implemented simultaneously because there is no precedence relationship between the 2 tasks. It is a simple question, but it does magic when we are scheduling our project. The same principle applies here in the clinical information system, which is task number 2. We have to establish the relationships between the tasks and the subtasks. I will only show the remaining tasks and their subtasks, but again the same principles will apply. Here is the laboratory task and its subtasks. Here is the pharmacy task and its subtasks. Here is the radiology task and its subtasks. Here is the imaging task and its subtasks. And here is the nutrition and food service task and its subtasks. In conclusion, we can say that the beauty of MS Project as a project management tool is that it provides you with the flexibility to construct a project schedule while allowing you to be better organized when managing your project. Organization is indeed of essence for successful project management. With MS Project, we are able to stipulate the work breakdown structure while accounting for all the relationships between the tasks, the subtasks, and the project activities. We are also able to indicate and show the predecessors of each task and subtasks, and hence we are able to keep the project on track. Eventually, this allows a better utilization of resources because our tasks are planned for well in advance and are better organized. In conclusion, and without hesitation, I can say that utilizing MS Project will indeed enhance our efficiency and effectiveness while managing the project.